Hi everyone, it's Rachel here and Lulu.
Hi,
She's just taking something. I have some new kits that we've been working on. Actually, that one didn't suck in the paper properly, but don't worry about it. So it's a new botanical style kit. And some pages Steph did, some pages I did, and one page was done by Lulu with the help of her dad. So she wanted to learn the program. So, right, so this is this is what I'm calling the journal pages. So they're sort of the more decorated journal pages. So it's a bit inspired by my English Gardens kit as well. So there's 8 pages as usual and lots of layering going on. This one here, I'll just go slowly. Really happy with these. And they're quite bright. Like I really like the colors, how they turned out. That one. This one. This one. Really cool. I can see the complexities of what Steph can do. And then this is the one that Lulu did with her dad. So I can't remember whether she did the, the things, or he did the thing and then she told him what to put. So that's that one. That's the first kit. Then we've got what I call the background pages. So these are more like sort of plainer pages that you can decorate or sometimes can be written on. So that one, the paper just hasn't fed in properly through the printer. So that's the first one. There's this one here. They're very pretty, and they can coordinate with the other kits that we have in the shop. They can even fit, fit in with the French Chateau kit and those sorts of things. That one there. So they're basically, I don't know if Steffi adjusted them or if they're from the from the decorated pages or not. And then there's that one. And then we did tags. Now this time with the tags, I did bigger tags, and I got Steph to prepare them for me, and then I decorated them up. So I added bits and pieces to them. Made transparent layers on there as well. So things that you wouldn't with these backgrounds you wouldn't be able to achieve if you were just to glue something down. So there's those, and again there's 8 pages, so 8 times 3, 24 tags. That one, love them, really cool. And then this one I put these frames on here, and then this one here, and this one I put some scripts, and then some script over the top, and then I put some sort of a book page, I think that was there. So some I left more simple. So these ones could obviously they're very pretty like this, but they could also have something else. You could add some other stuff to them. Then there's this one, quite bright, and that's it. Oh, I thought there was another one. I've got a couple too that I'll be sending out to my newsletter, but I'll need to prepare those. I'll probably send those next week or something like that. And they coordinate with this, because I got Steffi to do a couple of extra pages for me for each one. So that way I had something to send out for the newsletter. So I hope you like those. The links will be in the description box, and I will see you again soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.